All right, I got this external mic hooked up. It's got 20 feet of cord that came with it. And there's this cool little thing I can switch it back and forth between computer and phone because computer and phone take different type of thingamabobby jacket things. So I'm going to put this down by the exhaust of down by my pipes on my bike and just give it a run through. Why not? See what happens. Here we go. Almost there. Alright, I just clipped it onto the license plate. So, in the garage, I'm sure the echo is that. Run through just to see if it even works. Take number one audio. Why not?